Hi, this is Marcus, owner and managing director of SGS. In this video, we show you today the complete whole transparent process how our carbon fiber parts are painted here in China. We are a well-known company since more than a decade in the automotive industry, where we provide parts and services to big OEMs or motorsport companies like SSR in Munich. So let's waste no time anymore and jump right into the process. So in this step here, this is the water polishing process, they call it. So once the first layer of paint or the raw shells get here, they start to prepare the surface for the actual painting process. You see, it's very labor intensive and also very time intensive. I mean, they really need to take care of everything by hand. You cannot do this with a machine. So that you also see the background behind how many working hours actually in one part goes, I would say. So these guys here really take care of the first process and the first steps. Once this is ready, they go then again to the painting, and then the next layer of paint will be applied, and this goes several times back and forth. The worker gets the part on the table, then they do the fixations, and then they start actually with the painting process. So with this, we ensure that the quality is also like required and also like requested. So here, it's most of the time our customers require 3 layers of paint, but sometimes we also do 4 layers of paint. So we are very flexible with this here. It's super hard because something is also required regarding the glossiness. So we also figured out in the past which kind of matte tone and which kind of high gloss tone we can do here. And with this, it's really helping our customers to decide if I want to have a matte painting, if I want to have a high gloss painting, I want to have more high gloss, I want to have more glossy or matte tone. So that's very doable from our side here. Before those parts, I would say, are finished, then they get into the oven where they will be baked. And once those parts are okay from the oven, then the next step will be the polishing process with a polishing paste to get also the result what we need, which is mostly high gloss result and high gloss carbon fiber. And there we also use then 2 kind of processes. The first one is a centrifugal polishing machine, and the other one is our secret. We don't tell you that, so we have an advantage compared to our competitors. With this one, we really get the absolute best result. Well, also we are very happy about that. And yeah, we double check the next process, which will be then the final check. You see in the background, she is actually checking the parts with a small pen and searching for any anomalies on the surface, any issues, any small dust particles in the surface. Once she finds something, she marks it with a white pen, and then the complete part goes back to the polishing step, where they do the polishing paste again. If she finds something very critical, then she gives it back to another step where they do the hand polishing again to get really the best result for our customers. It took us a long time to implement the requirements, and also we have right now, especially for our customers, a level where we say, hey, we're super happy about it, and if there's any anomaly or something, she will find it. She's very experienced. And later on, if everything is okay, the parts will be packed. Then the complete parts will be shipped back to our carbon fiber supplier. And then we do final checking, final quality inspection. And those parts will be then sent out to our customers. I would say we have in the complete process, what you have seen now, at least 6 to 7 quality check steps. I mean, first here at the supplier, then at the carbon fiber supplier itself, and then again a final quality check, which is necessary because in the end we also guarantee only to deliver okay parts. And yeah, this is why we do that and why we're also known for that.